Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to animate text in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. This really helps me out. So text animations are a really good idea, especially if you're creating social media posts or any type of like marketing material that will be used online, because the animations will make the design pop and potentially stop the scroll, getting someone to click on your post or go to your business website. So here's how you create the text animation. So open up your design. So as you can see, I've got like a Facebook post opened here. So to animate the text, click onto the text to highlight it. Then I'm going to click on Animate in the top toolbar. Then you'll have a few different options to choose from here. You can hover over each one and you can see the text will animate. So there are a few different ones to choose from. So take your time to hover over each one and see which animation you like. They all do slightly different things, but really make the text stand out. And they really make a difference to the design, making it a bit more dynamic. And when you're happy with one of the animations, you can click on it to select it, and then you can choose whether you want it just on enter, just on exit, or for both. And you can also increase or decrease the speed of the animation. And you can also put different animations as add-on effects as well. So after the typewriter effect, do you want the writing to keep on moving and being animated? So you can see that one is a pulse or a wiggle or a rotate or a flicker. So if I click on pulse, again, I can adjust the intensity. So if you want it to really pulse, or you can slow it down a little bit. So if you're not happy, just click on remove animation and you can start again and choose a different animation. So that's it. That's how to animate text in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.